100 most common idioms in English. Success and failure.
Go the extra mile. Go the extra mile.
She always goes the extra mile to please her customers.
Hit the mark. Hit the mark.
Her speech really hit the mark.
Fall flat. Fall flat.
The joke fell flat in front of the audience.
Rise to the occasion. Rise to the occasion.
He rose to the occasion and delivered a great presentation.
Burn your bridges. Burn your bridges.
Don't burn your bridges with former employers.
Wealth and poverty.
Born with a silver spoon in your mouth. Born with a silver spoon in your mouth.
He was born with a silver spoon in his mouth.
A penny for your thoughts. A penny for your thoughts.
You're quiet. A penny for your thoughts?
Throw money down the drain. Throw money down the drain.
Buying that car was like throwing money down the drain.
In the red. In the red.
The company is in the red after a year of losses.
Cash cow. Cash cow.
That product is the company's cash cow.
Opinions and arguments.
Stick to your guns. Stick to your guns.
Despite criticism, she stuck to her guns.
See both sides of the coin. See both sides of the coin.
Good leaders see both sides of the coin.
Bark up the wrong tree. Bark up the wrong tree.
You're barking up the wrong tree if you think I'm to blame.
Call a spade a spade. Call a spade a spade.
He's not afraid to call a spade a spade.
The ball is in your court. The ball is in your court.
I've done my part, now the ball is in your court.
Luck and risk.
On the fence. On the fence.
I'm still on the fence about which university to choose.
Hit or miss. Hit or miss.
This strategy is hit or miss. It might work or it might not.
By a stroke of luck. By a stroke of luck.
By a stroke of luck, I found my lost wallet.
In the lap of the gods. In the lap of the gods.
We've done our best. Now it's in the lap of the gods.
Against all odds. Against all odds.
Against all odds, they completed the project on time.
Determination and effort.
Bend over backwards. Bend over backwards.
They bent over backwards to meet the deadline.
Put your best foot forward. Put your best foot forward.
In the interview, remember to put your best foot forward.
Pull out all the stops. Pull out all the stops.
We pulled out all the stops to make the event a success.
Go for broke. Go for broke.
She decided to go for broke and invest all her savings.
Move mountains. Move mountains.
With determination, you can move mountains.
Transactions and negotiations.
Drive a hard bargain. Drive a hard bargain.
She drives a hard bargain when negotiating her salary.
Seal the deal. Seal the deal.
They sealed the deal after hours of discussion.
Sweeten the deal. Sweeten the deal.
To sweeten the deal, they offered free delivery.
Cut corners. Cut corners.
Don't cut corners. We need this done properly.
The bottom line. The bottom line.
The bottom line is we need more sales.
Habits and personality.
Creature of habit. Creature of habit.
She's a creature of habit, and always has coffee at 8 a.m.
Set in stone. Set in stone.
The schedule isn't set in stone yet.
Old school. Old school.
He prefers old school methods over new technology.
All bark and no bite. All bark and no bite.
He seems tough, but he's all bark and no bite.
Know-it-all. Know-it-all.
Nobody likes a know-it-all in the team.
Weather and climate.
Under a cloud. Under a cloud.
He left the company under a cloud of suspicion.
Steal someone's thunder. Steal someone's thunder.
He stole her thunder by announcing his success first.
Throw caution to the wind. Throw caution to the wind.
She threw caution to the wind and quit her job to travel.
Chasing rainbows. Chasing rainbows.
He's chasing rainbows with his unrealistic business ideas.
Get wind of something. Get wind of something.
She got wind of the surprise party we were planning.
Happiness and satisfaction.
Walking on air. Walking on air.
He's been walking on air since he got the promotion.
Over the moon. Over the moon.
She was over the moon about her exam results.
Have a whale of a time. Have a whale of a time.
We had a whale of a time at the party last night.
On top of the world. On top of the world.
Winning the race made him feel on top of the world.
Tickled pink. Tickled pink.
She was tickled pink with her birthday surprise.
Strange or unusual situations.
Once in a blue moon. Once in a blue moon.
We only go out for dinner once in a blue moon.
Out of the blue. Out of the blue.
Out of the blue, she decided to move to another city.
A fish out of water. A fish out of water.
He felt like a fish out of water at the new school.
Elephant in the room. Elephant in the room.
Nobody mentioned the elephant in the room, his resignation.
Through the grapevine. Through the grapevine.
I heard through the grapevine that they're moving to Canada.
Patience and waiting.
Good things come to those who wait. Good things come to those who wait.
Don't rush. Good things come to those who wait.
Bide your time. Bide your time.
She's biding her time before making her next move.
A watched pot never boils. A watched pot never boils.
Stop checking your email every second. A washed pot never boils.
Hang in there. Hang in there.
Hang in there. Success takes time.
Play the waiting game. Play the waiting game.
In negotiations, you often have to play the waiting game.
Change and development.
Turn over a new leaf. Turn over a new leaf.
After the accident, he decided to turn over a new leaf and live healthily.
Change your tune. Change your tune.
He changed his tune when he realized how much effort it took.
The winds of change. The winds of change.
The winds of change are sweeping through the industry.
Back to square one. Back to square one.
The project failed, so we're back to square one.
A clean slate. A clean slate.
After the argument, they decided to start with a clean slate.
Knowledge and thinking.
Get the hang of it. Get the hang of it.
It took me a while to get the hang of using the new software.
Think on your feet. Think on your feet.
In this job, you need to think on your feet.
Go in one ear and out the other. Go in one ear and out the other.
I told him to study, but it went in one ear and out the other.
Food for thought. Food for thought.
Her speech gave us a lot of food for thought.
Jump to conclusions. Jump to conclusions.
Let's not jump to conclusions until we have all the facts.
Teamwork.
Two heads are better than one. Two heads are better than one.
Let's work together. Two heads are better than one.
On the same page. On the same page.
We need to be on the same page before presenting our idea.
Pull your weight. Pull your weight.
Everyone needs to pull their weight to meet the deadline.
The whole 9 yards. The whole 9 yards.
She went the whole 9 yards to make the event perfect.
A well-oiled machine. A well-oiled machine.
Our team works like a well-oiled machine.
Strength and weakness.
Bite the bullet. Bite the bullet.
I had to bite the bullet and tell her the truth.
No pain, no gain. No pain, no gain.
Keep practicing. No pain, no gain.
Throw in the towel. Throw in the towel.
I won't throw in the towel. I'll keep fighting.
A feather in your cap. A feather in your cap.
Winning the award was a feather in her cap.
Achilles heel. Achilles heel.
His lack of experience is his Achilles heel.
Negative feelings.
A bitter pill to swallow. A bitter pill to swallow.
Losing the competition was a bitter pill to swallow.
Add insult to injury. Add insult to injury.
They added insult to injury by refusing to pay compensation.
In hot water. In hot water.
He's in hot water after missing the deadline.
Rub salt in the wound. Rub salt in the wound.
Losing was hard, but seeing him win rubbed salt in the wound.
Cry wolf. Cry wolf.
If you cry wolf too often, people won't believe you anymore.
Social communication.
Bury the hatchet. Bury the hatchet.
After years of fighting, they decided to bury the hatchet.
Spread like wildfire. Spread like wildfire.
The news spread like wildfire on social media.
Get off on the wrong foot. Get off on the wrong foot.
We got off on the wrong foot, but now we're good friends.
Make a mountain out of a molehill. Make a mountain out of a molehill.
Stop making a mountain out of a molehill. It's not a big deal.
Blow your own trumpet. Blow your own trumpet.
She likes to blow her own trumpet about her successes.
Truth and lies.
Face the music. Face the music.
He has to face the music for his mistakes.
A pack of lies. A pack of lies.
Everything she said was a pack of lies.
Bite your tongue. Bite your tongue.
I had to bite my tongue to avoid arguing with him.
Come clean. Come clean.
It's time to come clean about what happened.
The naked truth. The naked truth.
It's hard to accept the naked truth sometimes.
Acting hastily or being late.
Jump on the bandwagon. Jump on the bandwagon.
Everyone's jumping on the bandwagon of fitness trends.
In the blink of an eye. In the blink of an eye.
The accident happened in the blink of an eye.
A stitch in time saves 9. A stitch in time saves 9.
Fix that leak now. A stitch in time saves 9.
Miss the boat. Miss the boat.
We missed the boat by not investing earlier.
In the long run. In the long run.
In the long run, this decision will benefit us.
Nature and colors.
Out of the woods. Out of the woods.
She's not out of the woods yet, but her health is improving.
Golden opportunity. Golden opportunity.
This is a golden opportunity you can't miss.
In black and white. In black and white.
The terms are laid out in black and white.
Once in a blue moon. Once in a blue moon.
He visits us once in a blue moon.
Green thumb. Green thumb.
She has a green thumb and grows beautiful plants.